Wow, that is so pretty. So your girl here got you. Hello babies. This is Stella and we're doing another lenses haul today, but this time it's from Just4Kira. And you know I'm excited about this because I tried with Just4Kira 2 more times and they wouldn't ship to Greece, but now they did while I'm still here. So this is what the packaging looks like. It took a beating, so let's open it up. So we got 4 different colors and of course cases for everything. They come with these super cute cases. They are transparent, which if you know that if you have more than one colored lens, you kind of like don't know which one is which and you have to like unscrew everything and see what it is. But these ones, oh, these ones don't even need to unscrew. Perfect. So you just pop that like so. Oh, hello, nails. So you just pop this. It shows you which is right and which is left. You can get them with power, by the way. And they also come with some little tools. Truth be told, they made sure to let me know to soak the lenses in the solution for 8 hours before I wear them. But you know how I am. I just kind of procrastinated and here we are doing the video right now. I do have a code for you beauties for 20% off, which is Stella code, and you can use it or click the link down below and you can get 20% off. I think I want to start with these holographic ones. You see how many boxes because they come individually. So this, for example, is called Bloom Gray. It comes in this beautiful little box. I got mine with no power. Okay, so let's see this. It has a diameter of 14, so it doesn't have an enlarging effect, and it's yearly. From the time you open these, you can use them from 12 months. It comes with a little leaflet that gives you instructions. Of course, they are FDA approved. Wouldn't show you anything else. This is what the lens looks like. And the box. Let's wear it. Okay, Bloom Gray. That is intense. Okay, check out side by side. And let's wear the left. I'm in love. Wow. This looks very, very realistic in my opinion. Like it has so many different colors that it blends into your eye and it just looks amazing. Take a look. Wonderful. And as always, I'm going to give you a shot in the daylight. Let's move to Moira Blue. Moira actually means destiny in Greek, so I don't know if that's where it's, you know, getting the inspo from. This is another 12-month pair. Once again, the box looks like this holographic beauty, honestly. Oh my god, this is the one with the marks. I've been waiting for this. Do you see still tiny dots that it has? Yes, it's beautiful. Never forget to check if they're inside out or not. Once you're sure, just pop it in. Oh, come on. This is a side to side. I might have actually forgot to say that the diameter of this is 14.2. Oh boy, okay. This is both of them in. It's great. Let me show you a daylight shot. Long nails are so helpful whenever you're taking your lenses off because it just works like the tweezers themselves. The next pairs that we have are 6-month pairs, so this is half a year, and we're gonna do Citha Gray, and this is actually a diameter of 14. Okay, this is what the box looks like. All right, cheers. Wow, this is so beautiful. That's a side-to-side comparison. Oh. Okay. And that's both of them. This is looking so natural. Like if you're going for that look, blends in perfectly. Loving it. Let's go for a daylight shot. And last one, we got Snowy Blue. These are also 6-month lasting lenses. The diameter of it is 14.5. What? Like, that's a lot, you know? It's gonna make your eye huge. This is what it looks like. And this is what its box looks like. Okay, let's see if we can fit it. Oh, easy. Whoa, that is so pretty. Okay, so this is a comparison with my brown eyes. And I am obsessed. Oh, wow. Whoa, this looks so good. Let me give you a daylight shot. Excuse me? What? This is great. So, oh my god, you guys. This was such a pleasant surprise. Like, I was not expecting the 14.5 diameter to be looking this natural. So your girl here got you. If you want, you can use my code Stella, or you can click the link down below. You'll find everything linked. Thank you so much for watching and sharing these beautiful new lenses with me. I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to smile, and your eyes are gonna smile with you. That was so cringe, but yeah, love you guys. Bye.